Hi, my name is Jessie Baltrashitis. I'm making this video in concern to the amount of paper that's wasted every year. Statistically, every average household wastes about 13,000 pounds of paper. It's crazy. It's really ridiculous. So I've decided that something needed to be changed about this. Please enjoy this tutorial that I've come up with on how to recycle your old paper to make new usable paper. Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to upcycle paper from your paper waste. A few things you'll need are first a sponge of any kind and a towel so you can lay your wet paper on it. Second is a decal. I'll be using the smaller decal today. But to show you what a decal is, it's a picture frame or wooden border. One plain and one has a window screen taped or stapled into it. Next, a glass of water and a blender, any caliber will work, and a bowl of paper, shreds of paper. This can be receipts, journal entries you don't like anymore, old homework, any kind of paper will do. Next, a tray of water. This is a bit cloudy because I already did the process once before, but anyways, it's just about halfway full. You can color it with any kind of food coloring or natural dyes like cacao powder or beet powder, anything like that. So, we're going to start by adding a handful of paper to our blender. Feel free to fill it up because it will blend down. And we're going to add some water to this. And we'll just blend it up. While this is blending, I'll go ahead and share a few fun facts with you. So first of all, Americans use 85 million tons of paper every year. That averages to about 680 pounds per person. Also, if every American recycled just 1/10 of their newspapers, we would save about 25 million trees per year. Isn't that crazy? Okay, so once everything is done and blended, we're going to add our paper pulp to our water bath here. And we'll just go give it a little stir with our hand, make sure everything is well incorporated. Once that's ready, it's time to use our decal. So we have the mesh screen side on the bottom, flat side up, and the top one pressed firmly in place. So we dip and we shake like so, just to get a good even coating of the pulp, and we let the water drain off. You wouldn't want it to be too wet, otherwise this process would take a little bit longer. So we just remove the top and we carefully flip over our work. Make sure it's flat. Next step is to sponge off all of the excess water while the mesh is still on the pulp. This will help for easier removal and also for a quicker drying time. There are a few ways that we can dry the paper, and that's either you can put it in the oven at 250 at 15-minute intervals to dehydrate it, or you can just leave it out in the sun and just wait for nature to take its course. Lift carefully, and there you go. Now, as you can see, this towel had some kind of texture to it, but no worries, once we have it dried, it should be just fine. Thank you for watching, and this is how to live a more sustainable life. Here you can see two examples of papers I've made. They have a lovely texture, they're super strong, and when you write on them, it glides very smoothly. So for the darker one, I used the cacao powder, which is a natural chocolate, and for the white one, it's just the normal paper. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch my tutorial. Hopefully you'll take these matters into heart and realize the amount of waste that we produce every day. Yes, it is hard to get away from all the waste that we create, but with a little action, a little courage, and the knowledge, that will help things change. Change can happen. We just have to do something about it. So please try out this tutorial. Comment if you liked it. Comment if I need to change anything. Also, please come back to my page so I can further instruct some people on how to live a more sustainable lifestyle. Thank you.